Hi friends, this video we are going to solve this problem. What is the problem is, they given the one function u of x comma y, it's a y cube minus 3x square. We have to prove that the given function is harmonic. Then I have to find v is a function such that f of z equal to u of x comma y plus I times v of x comma y is analytic. So that meaning is what? We have to find the harmonic conjugate of the given function. This v is harmonic conjugate of given function. Next, I want to find the f of z in terms of z. Okay, that is my key idea. So this is the three component we have to do it. First, I want to prove that the given function is harmonic. How can I prove that given function is harmonic? What is maybe harmonic? Harmonic means it satisfies Laplace equation. Correct? What is the Laplace equation? D square u by. So I want to solve the Laplace equation. Laplace equation means what is the Laplace equation? D square u by dx square plus d square u by dy square equal to 0. This is our Laplace equation. So I have to take derivative with respect to x twice, then I have to take derivative with respect to y twice partially, then I will add together. Okay, so first I will find du by dx. What is the du by dx? Dx you will get it as minus 6 times x times y, that is will come, then d square u by dy square is minus 6 times y, dx square, so because I take derivative, then I will go for du by dy, that is will come 3 times y square minus 3x square, then d square u by dy square, this is independent of y, so it's become 0, so only 6 times y will come. If you add together d square u by dx square plus d square u by dy square, this is, if you add together 6y minus 6y is 0. So this implies, given u of x comma y is harmonic. So next I want to proceed, I want to find the v of x comma y. So they ask explicitly what is the v of x comma y. So I am going to use CR equation only. What is the CR equation? CR equation is du by dx equal to dv by dy, du by dy equal to minus dv by dx. So what is the du by dx? Du by dx is minus 6 times xy. So this is equal to v of x comma y. Dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y. So you require v of x comma y. So I am going to partially integrate with respect to y. So minus 6x y square divided by 2. So this is minus 3 times x y square. So plus some function of x will come, because this integrating is some additionally some function will be there. So okay, plus phi of x will be there. So I have to determine what is the phi of x. So that is why I am using this result again. Okay, so I take dou v by dou y. So I am going to take partially with respect to y, minus 6 dv by dx. dv by dx equal to minus 3 times y square plus phi prime of x. This is equal to nothing but minus du by dy. So we already calculate what is the du by dy. Du by dy is minus time is 3x square minus 3y square, because I multiply the du by dy. Okay. So now you have to compare these two, implies phi prime of x is, because it's minus 3 is cancelled, so phi prime of x is 3 times x square. So if you are integrating with respect to x, you get the phi of x is x cube plus some constant. So then my v of x comma y is minus 3x y square plus x cube plus some constant k. So this is my v of, that is harmonic, that is my v of x comma y. So second part also we have done. So my third part is I have to find f of z in terms of z. So then, so you can use the result x equal to z plus z bar divided by 2 and y equal to z minus z bar divided by 2y. But I am not going to use that result. I am going to use this result, that is f of z equal to u of z comma 0 plus I times v of z comma 0. So using this result, it's a very simple. Okay. What is u of z comma 0? So wherever the x you want to put the z, wherever the y you want to put the 0. So clearly the u of z comma 0 is 0. What is the v of z comma 0? Here also you put z equal to x equal to z, but y equal to 0, this term is no. Only this term only will be there, correct? Z cube. So v of z is z cube plus k. So now I am going to write what is my f of z is u of z comma 0 is 0 plus I times v of z comma 0 is z cube plus some constant k. So this implies, so our required f of z is I times z cube plus k. I hope you can understand how to prove that one function is harmonic. Using the CR equation, how to find the harmonic conjugate of the given function v. Then finally, if you know the real part of the given function u of x comma y plus imaginary part of v of x comma, if you know, then how to construct the function f of z in terms of z. Okay, that we using this formula, that is u of z comma 0 plus I times v of z. Using this formula, you can construct the given function in terms of z. Thank you for watching this video.